What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We have this interesting question that says that find the value of x given that x to the power of x to the power of 5 is equal to 5. Well, this question is really interesting. We can even say it is intimidating because what is this? Well, it becomes easy when you know the trick. Now, see what I have on the left hand side and what I have on the right hand side. Well, to make it balance, I'll have to raise both sides to the power of 5. So on the left, I have x to the power of x to the power of 5. I'll raise the left hand side to the power of 5 equal to, I'll do the same thing to the right hand side. I'll raise the right hand side to the power of 5. Very good. Now let's apply this property of indices that says that when I have a to the power of b or raised to the power of c, this is the same as a to the power of b times c. That means the powers multiply. And since multiplication is commutative, that means this expression is the same as writing a to the power of c or raised to the power of b. Very good. So we transform from this to what we now have as this. Now let's apply this logic to what we have here. That means we can swap the position of 5 and x to power 5. Good. So this expression now becomes x to the power of 5 or raised to the power of x to the power of 5. Very good. And this is equal to 5 to the power of 5. Good. Now notice something. Now what I have here and what I have here are the same. And what I have here and what I have here are also the same. That means by comparison, we can say that x to the power of 5 is 5. So x to the power of 5 is equal to 5. Now to get the value of x, I have to take the fifth root of both sides. So I'll take the fifth root of x to power 5 equal to the fifth root of 5. Very good. Now notice that the fifth root cancels out the power of 5, leaving behind x, let me write it here, equal to the fifth root of 5. And this becomes our final answer. Well, feel free to share your ideas in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video and have learned something from this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming videos. And like I always say, until next time, take care.